Jordan with Quickpros Accounting, and I'm going to show you how to create a customer in QuickBooks Online. So you're going to go to Sales, Customers. You're going to go up here to New Customer, and we're going to say New Customer 2. I already have a New Customer 1 that I've set up. Another really awesome thing about QuickBooks Online is that, as you can see, it brought up a whole bunch of companies with their addresses and everything. So let's just pick this one for example. It will auto-populate just about everything you need. You might have to add an email if it's not listed, but you can have all this auto-populated and ready to go. So we're going to go back though, and we're going to do New Customer. We're going to clear all of this out just because. And you get the picture, just have to add, if it doesn't show up automatically, you have to add all of the address, email, phone, any other information that you need to do. So then you just hit save. Oh, that's right. New Customer 2. Save New Customer 2. And now when you go back to Sales, Customers, you'll have your new customer there. You'll be able to see it. And that is how you add a new customer in QuickBooks Online.